In the words of the inimitable Edward Stanley, those who think they have not time for bodily exercise will sooner or later have to find time for illness. This is the stark reality when it comes to our health and fitness. Every move we make, every lift, every push, and every squat matters. Today, we dive deep into the world of proper exercise form. Exercising with proper form isn't just about looking good while you sweat. It's about ensuring that every drop of sweat counts, that every effort you make brings you closer to your fitness goals. It's about moving in a way that maximizes results while minimizing the risk of injury. Take squats, for instance. It's not just about bending your knees and lowering your body. It's about keeping your feet shoulder-width apart, your back straight, your chest and eyes up, and driving your knees out over your toes as you descend. It's about activating your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, your core, getting the most out of every single rep. The same goes for deadlifts. This isn't a simple case of lifting a weight off the floor. It's about aligning your feet with the bar, bending at the hips and knees, and keeping your back flat. It's about powering up through your heels, engaging your glutes, and driving your hips forward. It's about lifting with power and purpose. And then we have the humble push-up. Far from just dropping to the floor and pushing back up, this is a move that requires a plank-like position, a tight core, and a straight line from your head to your feet. It's about lowering your body until your chest almost touches the floor, and then pushing back up to the starting position with control and determination. But even with the best intentions, we can fall into bad habits. Common mistakes like rounding the back during deadlifts, allowing the knees to cave in during squats, or letting the hips sag during push-ups can all lead to decreased effectiveness and potential injury. But with a keen eye, a little knowledge, and some professional advice, these can be corrected and even avoided altogether. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of continual learning and improvement. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep moving. Because every rep, every set, every workout is a step closer to a fitter, healthier, stronger you. And with that, we wrap up today's guide to mastering proper exercise form. Remember, every movement matters. Make them count. For more fitness guides and tips, subscribe to our channel. Keep sweating, keep striving, and keep surprising yourself with just how much you can achieve.